Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are good. Children, in that previous video we discussed up to 4 worksheets, right? In this video we are going to discuss the problems from worksheet 5. Let us see here what is the first question. Insert one fraction between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Actually here rational numbers means already I said that fractions only given as a rational number. So as per that decimals we can simplify this one. Okay. So just to say that 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Better to take that the decimal values of that the fraction 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay. Here in this worksheet we have to check that all the options. Why? Because some of the questions we are having that single correct answer type and some of the questions we may have that multi correct also. Okay. That's why see here the first one is 2 by 3. 2 by 3, which means here 2 divided by 3. Okay, 0 and here 0. 0.36 are 18. Clear? And here 2, 0 and here again 36 are 18. Again 2. So this process is in continuation, no? So that's why 2 by 3. 2 by 3 similar value is 0.66 and so on. Understood? And come to the next number, what is that? 3 by 4. Okay. 3 by 4 means here 3 divided by 4. 0 and here keep that 0. And 4 sevens 28. Left over 2 and keep that 0. 4 fives 20. The remainder is 0. Understood, ma? So here 3 by 4, which is exactly equals to 0.75. 0.75. Am I clear to you this one? Yes. See here. Now we need to find that insert any one of the fraction between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 means that decimal value of that fraction also must be lies between 0.66 and 0.75. Understood? So let us check that remaining all the options also. So first option, what is that option 1 here? 5 divided by 7. 5 divided by 7. 0 and 0. 7 sevens 49. 1 0. So 0.71 and here we are having that 0.75 is there. Okay, understood, ma? So the number which is lies in between 0.66 to 0.75. So this one is also satisfying, no? 5 by 7 also. Okay, let us see that option 2. What is that option 2 here? 2 divided by 7. 0 and 0. 7 2's 14. And here the leftover 6. Remainder is 6. The second option which is equals to 0.2. So this is not satisfies. Why? Because 0.2 is less than that 0.6. Still we need that 0.66 to 0.75. Which means 0.67, 0.68, 0.69, 0.7, 71, 72, 73, 74 up to 75. Understood, ma? So first one is satisfying and the second one is not satisfying. Okay, next let us see that option 3. What is that option 3 here? 10 divisible by 12. So 0, again keep that 0. Understood? 12 8's 96. 12 8's 96 and the remainder is 4. The remainder is 4. But no need to check that leftover. Why? Because 0.8 is there. 0.8 is greater than 0.75. Okay. That's why this one also not satisfying here. 10 by 12 also not satisfying. And come to that 15 by 2. So 15 divisible by 2 means 2 sevens 14. Remainder is 1. 0. Okay. 2 5's 10. So here we are having that 7.5. We are having that 7.5. That's why this is also not satisfying. Only one of the option is satisfying, that is 5 by 7. Okay. Which one is satisfying here? Only the option 1 is satisfying here. That is 0.71. Understood? So here the answer is also 5 by 7. Am I clear, children? Yes. Let us see here question number 2. What is that? Insert two fractions between 3 by 5 and 4 by 7. Just like that previous one only. Here also 3 by 5. And here another one is 4 by 7. Which means here 3 divisible by 5. 3 divisible by 5. 0 and here 0. 5, 6, 30. And the remainder is 0, which is equals to 0.6. Understood? And here 4 by 7. 4 by 7 means 4 divisible by 7. 0 and 0. 7 5s 35. The remainder is 5. Keep that 0. 7 7s 49. And the remainder is 1. Understood, ma? Still we are having here, yes, 0.57 something. Okay, again that is continuation only now here. So here just observe that now the numbers we need to find out the fractions. Those fractions must be lies in between 0.6 and 0.57. Okay, and here the remainder is 0, no, so we can keep that as 0.60. Now we need to find the numbers which are lies in between 0.57 to 0.60, which means 0.58, 0.59, 0.60. Understood, ma? Yes, see here. Let us see that. The first option, what is the first option here? 10 by 12. So 10 by 12 means 10 divisible by 12. 10 divisible by 12. So keep that as 0 and here 0. 0.12 8 is 96. 8 means that is more than that is 0.6 and 0.5. Okay, that is greater than 0.6, but we need less than 0.6 only, we required that. But here we are having 0.8 is there, so that's why this is not satisfying. One option is not satisfying means no need to check that another one. Okay, next. So first one is not satisfying. Second one, 11 divisible by 15. Okay, 0 and here 0. Okay, and here 11 6. Yes, 11 7s 105. Okay, sorry, 15 7s 105. 110, 15 7s 105. So here 110 minus 105, which is equals to 5. 0.7. 0.7 also greater than 0.6. Okay, that's why this is also not satisfying. Understood, ma? Yes. Next, see that another option. What is that? Option 3. 10 divisible by 17. 0 and here also 0. Okay. Yes. Yes, see here, ma. 17, okay, 10 divisible by 17, which means 100, and keep that 0 here, 0 point and 100. So 17 5s 85. The remainder is 15 and keep that 0 here. And next, which one is possible here? 17 8s 136. Understood, ma? 17 8s 136. Clear? And here the remainder is 14. Okay, no need to check that the leftover. Why? Because here 0.58 is there, no. So 0.58 is lies in between. 0.58 is lies in between 0.57 and 0.60. So this one is satisfying. But still we are having another number, no, here. That number also we have to check that. So 7 divisible by 12. Keep that 0 and here also 0. And see that 12 6 72. Okay, 12 5 60. Clear, ma? The leftover 10 is there. And again keep that 0. 12 8 96. Okay, and the leftover is 4. The remainder is 4. See here 0.58. This one also 0.58 only, no? So 0.58 is existing in between 0.57 and 0.60. That's why this is satisfying. But still another option also there to check. Okay, see here, what is that another option? Fourth option, 18 by 10, which is equals to 1.8. 1.8 is not lies in between. 1.8 is greater than 0.6. Understood? That's why this is not satisfying. Understood, ma? Then which option is correct here? Option 3 is correct, that is 10 by 17 and 7 by 12. Am I clear, children? Yes. Let us see here another question. Insert these three fractions. Insert three fractions between 5 by 7 and 11 by 2. 5 by 7 and 11 by 2. Okay. Let us see here. 5 by 7. And another one is 11 by 2. Okay, which means 5 divisible by 7, 0 and 0, 7 sevens 49 and the remainder is 1 and still keep that 0 here, 7 1 7, so 3 is the remainder. Whatever it may be, this value is approximately equals to 0.71. Okay, that value is approximately equals to 0.71. And come to this one here, 11 by 2, which means 11 divisible by 2 means 2 5s 10, 1.0, 2 5s 10, which is equals to 5.5, which is equals to 5.5. Am I clear, ma? Yes. Now, just insert the fractions which are lies in between 0.71 to 5.5. Understood? 0.71, 0.72, 73 up to 5.5. Okay, in between numbers we need to find out. Let us check that option 1. What is that option 1 here? 21 divisible by 26. So keep that 0 here and here also keep that 0. Now 26 into 10 is equals to 260. Okay, then that is more than that 210. That's why 26 into, check that 9. 9 6 are 54, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 15, that is 234, that one also more. Okay, so 26 into 8, 26 into 8, 8 6 are 48, 8 2 16 plus 4, which is 208. 26 into 8 is equals to 208. Okay, 0.8. 0.8 is lies in between 0.7 only, no? 0.8 is greater than 0.7. Okay, that's what we required. No, here the number which is greater than 0.7 and less than 5.5 required here. So that is satisfying or not? This is satisfying. Okay, here the remainder is 2. No need to check that another one. Next, second one, 16 divisible by 19. 0 and here keep that 0. So children, say that. Yes. See here, ma. 19 into how much is equals to 160? This is not possible, no? So that's why 19 8s 152. 19 8s 152. So the remainder is 8. So whatever it may be, here again we are getting that 0.8 only, no? So 0.8, already we know that 0.8 is lies in between 0.7 and 5.5. So that number is existing or not existing. That's why this number also satisfying. Still one more number is there. What is that? 27 divisible by 31. 0 and keep that 0. Okay, 31 into 10 is equals to 310. So 31 into 9, that one also we will get it as 279. So that one also more. That's why 31 into 8. 8 ones 8, 8 3s 24. Okay, next 31 into 9, 927. So this is more, right? So that's why 31 into 8 is equals to 248. And the remainder is 22. Understood, ma? Okay, that's why here this is also 0.8. 0.8 is lies in between 0.7 and 5.5. Understood? So as per that one, the first option is correct. But still another one also we need to check that, no, the leftover also. That's why check that second option also. Second option, what is that? 18 divisible by 26. 18 divisible by 26 and here keep that 0. Understood, ma? The nearest number is 26 into 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 2 is 10 plus 3 13. So still requirement is there. 26 into 7. Okay. 6 sevens 42, 7 twos 14 plus 4, 18, 182. So 182 is more. That's why 26 into 6. 6 6 is 36, 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Okay, 156. Which number is satisfying ma here? Yes, 26 into 6 is equal to 156. Understood? The leftover here 4 and 7 minus 5 is 2. 24. Understood? Whatever it may be, 0.6 is there. So 0.6 is also lies in between. Here which number is there? 0.71. Sorry, 0.71 and 5.5. So 0.6 is less than 0.7. 0.71. 0.6 is less than 0.71. That's why as per that this condition is wrong. Okay, second option is not satisfying. Third option. Come to the third option here. Second one also wrong, no? Third option, 6 by 5. 6 divisible by 5. 5 ones 5. 1.052 is 10. Okay, here 1.2 is there. So 1.2 is lies in between 0.71 and 5.5. 1.2 is lies in between 0.71 and 5.5. Okay, but still another numbers also there, no? Here 4 by 11, 15 by 16. So 4 by 11, 0, and here 0.113 is 33. Okay, the remainder is 7. Remainder whatever it may be, 0.3 is less than 0.71. 0.3 is less than 0.71. That's why this is also not satisfying. Understood ma? So as per this one, third option also not satisfying. And come to that, the final option, fourth option is there. That is, fourth option, what is that? 17 by 5. 17 divisible by 5. Fourth option, 17 divisible by 5. Okay, 5 3 is 15 and here 2 is the remainder, 0.0. Okay, 5 4 is 20. Clear ma? As per this one, 0.71 is less than, 3.4 is less than 5.5. So this number is lies in between those two values or not? So this is satisfying. And come to the next number here, 11 divisible by 6. 6 1 6 and here 5 is the remainder, 0.0 and 6 7 4, 6 8 is 48. The remainder is 2. So 1.8. 1.8 is also lies in between 0.71 and 5.5. So this is also satisfying. Still one more number is there. What is that? 13 divisible by 4. 4 3 is 12. 1.0. 4 2 is 8 and 2. Okay, 3.25. Whatever it may be, 3.25 is also lies in between 0.71. 0.71 and 5.5. So this number also satisfying. As per this one here, how many options are correct? Ma, 2 options are correct. What are those? The first option and the fourth option. These two are the correct answers. Understood? Yes. Let us see here. Question number 4. What is that question number 4 here? Rational number between 0 and 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Okay, actually here we need to find the rational number which is lie in between any two rational numbers. The formula is a plus b by 2. The formula is a plus b by 2. Let here a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, rational number lie in between a and b is a plus b by 2. Okay, as per this one here, a is equals to 0 plus 1 by 2 whole by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2 into 2, which is equals to 1 by 4. Understood, ma? That's what they given in that first statement. What is that? Rational number between 0 and 1 by 2 is 1 by 4, and the formula which is used to find that the rational number which is lies exactly in between a and b is a plus b by 2. Understood? As per that, these two statements here, the statement 1 is true and 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Understood, ma? Then which option is correct here? Option 1 is correct, which is both statements are true. Statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Understood? Yes. So children, in this video we discussed that 1 to 4 problems which are related to decimal values we taken here. Actually these all are related to rational numbers. We are having some other formulas also here. Okay. But as per the fractions here, better to use that decimal values. This is easy method to take the decimal values. Easily you can compare that any two numbers, or else easily you can insert that any fraction by using decimal number in between any two fractions. Understood, ma? Okay, in that next video again we will meet with the next continuation questions. Okay, thank you all.